Hi, today I'm reviewing the JIN JUNG Sun Soothing Moisture Skin Essence. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with any sponsored videos. So if you want to help support the channel, share, like, subscribe, check out the notification button or check out the links below and check out my Patreon community. Okay, so this is a newer product to me and I'm really been enjoying it and it's just lovely in so many ways. So I'm super excited to get to review this one. So, especially just writing this review assured me why I've been enjoying this one so much, especially when I talk about the ingredients in this one. It is impressive and amazing what they've done in this little liquid. Okay, so they say powered by major hydrators like hyaluronic acid and ceramide, plus anti-agers like collagen and adenosine. This cult fave essence delivers a youthful-looking glow while keeping the skin barrier strong. Made free of parabens, mineral oils, and artificial fragrances, the formula is suitable for every skin type, including sensitive skin. Don't let the hyaluronic acid mentioned in the first line throw you off. I know most of us are sick of it, but there's so many other good things about this one. So just pretend like they didn't even mention it. You know what I mean? Although hyaluronic acid isn't a bad thing, it's just we see it everywhere, and it's not as very exciting and green as they make it out to sound, but there's so many other good things in here to talk about. So, okay. First criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. Frosted bottle, very nice. No issues with that. There is no denatured drying types of alcohol in this. In terms of fragrance, this has no scent. The about this product description on Yes Style mentions lavender water. However, lavender water does not appear on the ingredient list of my bottle or the actual ingredient list. So I have no idea what the story is. Maybe there's a previous formula. I don't know, but I didn't have any lavender water on my ingredient list. So, and I'm glad about that. So, okay, the manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use, let me do a quick pH test. So, this one's very easy to use. A little bit of this goes a very long way. This bottle will last you a long time. And I don't say that about a lot of essences are super watery and they just go by fast. This one will last you quite some time. So, okay. So, the pH of this one, I would say the pH is about 5. Almost 5, right on 5. So, no issues with that. So, it's got kind of a thicker jelly texture almost. And it's really lovely. So, for using it, you want to use this after cleansing and toning. So, if you use a toner, you typically use it on a cotton pad. Then you just pat this one on. A little bit of it goes a super long way. I've been testing this one out for a while now. And I think I'm down probably 1/5 of the bottle so far. So a bottle like this one will last you a long, long time. So you apply this after cleansing, toning, and then give it a minute to soak in, and then apply your serums, moisturizers, and other products. You can use this morning and evening. I really like using this one in my morning routine. And to be honest, there's been a lot going on lately. I've been feeling kind of lazy. And I typically, when I become lazy, it's not lazy about my skincare routine. It's lazy about like cleaning my house or something. But sometimes I do get lazy with my skincare routine. It happens maybe once every couple of years where I have a couple of weeks where I just don't want to do anything. I've been just using this the last couple of weeks at night. And it does enough to make my skin feel nice without having to do all the fuss of everything else. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive that I can just use this for like a week or two and just feel happy and good with myself and not feel like I'm doing something wrong. So, okay, so anyway, so after cleansing and toning, you just pat it onto your face, give it a minute to absorb and go on. Thick texture, a little goes a long way. Takes a minute to absorb, and then it sets to a natural finish that is non-sticky. Really nice, very easy to use, really hydrating, very nice, especially if you're going to layer it. So, and I will mention this bottle lasts you a long, long time. A lot of essences and things I can go through pretty quickly, and this one is lasting a while. So, okay, I'm going to talk about the exciting ingredient list in a second here. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free, so no issues with that. In terms of performance, I really love this stuff. It instantly plumps up skin. It gives skin a nice glow after using it. Seems to help with firming skin up as well. It's really been a joy to use. Really gives extra hydration to parched, dry skin. And the fact that I can use this alone and still feel like, okay, that's enough. I'm good for today. I'm tired. This is good enough. I want to go to bed. Says something, because there's really not any other product I feel that way about. So that says a lot. Okay, so for acne-prone skin, only one ingredient of note, and that's carbomer, which is not very acneogenic, so not much to be worried about. Okay, in terms of the price, so this is the full size, 5.3 ounces, 150 milliliters, and retails for $26. So that is a bargain, especially how long this will last you. And then let me talk about the ingredient list. It's a long one with a lot of good things in here. Okay, so we've got niacinamide, anti-acne, skin brightening ingredient, hydrogenated lecithin, a good emollient. We've got soluble collagen, a good humectant, Ubiquinone, a great antioxidant ingredient. We've got Broussonetia, Kazinoki root, which is a skin conditioning ingredient and plant. We've got avocado fruit extract, moisturizing, skin conditioning, smoothing, and soothing ingredient. Celery extract, skin conditioning ingredient. Broccoli extract, antioxidant, skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Edelweiss extract, antioxidant, soothing ingredient. We've got sweet almond seed extract, which is a good skin conditioning ingredient. We've got that sodium hyaluronate they mentioned, which is a humectant. We've got madecassoside, a good antioxidant, skin soothing, and wound healing ingredient. We've got garlic bulb extract, a skin conditioning ingredient. Blueberry extract, a skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Cistus incanus flower extract, which is a skin conditioning ingredient that's also rich in polyphenols. We've got Gynostemma pentaphyllum leaf stem extract, which is an antioxidant, emollient, and astringent ingredient. Oat seed extract, skin conditioning, anti-inflammatory. Eclonia kava extract, another skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Cischasandra chinensis fruit extract, which is another skin conditioning ingredient. Pumpkin fruit extract, skin conditioning. Spinach fruit, antioxidant, skin conditioning. Beta-Glucan, humectant, skin conditioning, or skin soothing and anti-inflammatory. Undaria pinafata extract, a skin protecting ingredient. Ecru leaf extract, skin conditioning ingredient. We've got hyaluronic acid, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, potassium hyaluronate, sodium hyaluronic cross polymer, sodium acetylated hyaluronate, which are all humectants. We've got arginine, which is acetyl hexapeptide 8, which is a cell communicating ingredient that helps with fine lines, wrinkles, and wrinkle depth. Hexapeptide 9, cell communicating ingredient, anti-aging peptide that can visibly reduce the length and depth of wrinkles and may also help with epidermal regeneration. Hexapeptide 11, skin conditioning ingredient. Matrixyl, cell communicating ingredient that reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and improves skin texture. Palmitoyl tripeptide 1, which is part of Matrixyl 3000, research shows this peptide might trick the skin into thinking that collagen is broken down and to train it to create more collagen production that can also help with wrinkles and wrinkle depth and also skin elasticity, skin tone, and texture. Tripeptide 1, aka Collagen, which is a small 3 amino acid peptide. The theory behind this is that it helps with collagen breakdown on the skin. Collagen is also claimed to be beneficial for acne-prone skin as it can boost tissue repair and thus help acne scars to heal faster. Got copper tripeptide, skin soothing, hydrating, cell communicating ingredient, and antioxidant. And then finally, adenosine, wound healing, and cell communicating ingredient. Whew. That's a lot of ingredients, but they're all awesome and amazing. Peptides, antioxidants, protecting ingredients, soothing ingredients, hydrating ingredients. It's amazing ingredient list. It's long, it's got a lot, and I'm okay with that. But for very sensitive skin or reactive skin, also something to keep in mind. A lot more ingredients means there's a chance your skin might not agree with one of them, so do a patch test. Okay, finally, in terms of the it factor, I love this stuff. It's an amazing multitasking product. It hydrates skin, plumps it up. So the other thing I do want to mention for very sensitive skin, this uses the Euro Napri preservative, which includes Japanese pepperberry because of its antimicrobial and antibacterial preservative benefits. Some people may be sensitive to that specific ingredient, so keep that in mind. Also, that's also worth doing a patch test unless you've been able to use other products. Benton, the Benton brand uses this preservative, natural preservative a lot, so if you haven't had any issues with any Benton products, then it's safe to say you probably are not too sensitive to this ingredient. But otherwise, for most people, it's an absolute winner. The only issue I had was that Euronap preservative for a very small group of people is kind of an issue. So, anyway, okay, with a 10 being perfect score, this one is so close. It got a 9 out of 10. The only thing is that Japanese pepperberry could be problematic, but do a patch test, and once you know you're okay with it, then it's great, because there's a few K-beauty brands that use that. So anyway, love this stuff. Interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Alright, this is the JIN JUNG Sun Soothing Moisture Skin Essence. Hi, today.
Sorry.
You know, we should get you like one of those little chair pad things so it doesn't make noise.
Okay.